We offer many different training and development schemes for staff. Obviously, on induction, we'd assess what skills the person already has. We then have a level of mandatory training across the business, and then managers would recommend to me specialist courses that each individual might need. Obviously, an important part of progression at Warren is the management programs that we run. So we offer a standard level 3 ILM program to up and coming supervisors and managers within the business. That's at the moment we're running a 9-day program, so that's Institute of Leadership and Management. We also look at specialised courses, so something like Autodesk, maybe specialised machine training, and then the individuals would be sent to external training providers.